Hello student. Today we will discuss about the hyperlink or link in HTML. Creating a link. Link or hyperlink are the most important part of the World Wide Web. Link ties the web pages together in the website across the various websites. A link or hyperlink is a word, a group of the word, or an image that is used to jump to another location, which can be in the same page or in the other page, on the same website or on the other website. When you move the mouse pointer over the link, the mouse pointer changes its shape to the small hand. There are the three kinds of the link. Internal link, a link to a different section of the current documents, means in the same web page. That type of the link is called the internal link. Local link, when you click on any link and it takes you on the same website of the different web pages, then it is a local link. Global link, a link to a page on the same a link to the page on the different website. So means if any links it takes you on the different website, then that type of the link is called the global link. Internal link means link point to the current page. Local link to the another page of the same website. Global link, a link to the page on a different website. Let me make it clear here. मीन्स इंटरनल लिंक क्या है? इंटरनल लिंक वो लिंक होगा जैसे मान लीजिए आपका कोई पेज है एंड इन दैट पेज links are there. Okay, so if you are clicking on that link which is given on the web page, if it takes you on the different section of the same page of the current page only, then that type of the link is called the internal link. मीन्स जब आप इसे क्लिक करते हैं तो क्लिक करने के बाद उसी वेब पेज के डिफरेंट सेक्शन में आप जो है पहुंच जाते हैं, तो इस टाइप का जो लिंक होता है वो होता है आपका इंटरनल लिंक. लोकल लिंक, if you are clicking on any link and it takes you on the different page of the same website, means वेबसाइट जो है वो सेम होगी, सिर्फ वो आपके पेजेस जो हैं वेब पेजेस डिफरेंट होंगे, तो इस टाइप का जो लिंक होगा वो आपका लोकल लिंक होगा. ग्लोबल लिंक, ऐसे लिंक जिस पर आप क्लिक करने के बाद वो आपको दूसरे वेबसाइट के किसी वेब पेज पर ले जाता है. मीन्स अ लिंक to the page on the different website which takes you on the different website, not the same website. So such type of the link is called the global link. As you can see in this, here you are seeing the different links, and this is the link of this web page. These are the links which is present on this page. When you click on any of these pages, so it takes you on that section. So when you click on about Wikipedia, then it will take you on the same page but in the different section. Same way, when you click on the contributor information, then it will take you on the different section of the same page. So these links are the internal link. As well as when you click on the another link like the what links here, okay, then it will take you on the different web page of the same website. Means website will be the Wikipedia only, but the web page will be different. Okay, so such type of the link means this type of the link, it is called the local link. And sometimes you see that when you click on the any link, that link it takes you on the different website, then such type of the link is the global link. Now how to create the this type of the link? Using the anchor element, means anchor tag, you can create the this type of the hyperlink or link. In that you will find the attribute href. So using the href, you have to give the URL of the target file or resource where you want to take the user. So the href attribute of the anchor tag, means a tag, is used to set the URL of the target resource which is addressed to the document to the link to. The href attribute of the anchor tag specifies the destination page or the file. So using this href, means using this href attribute, you have to give the link of the any file, means of the web page or of any HTML page. Syntax for creating the link is as here. You have to open the anchor tag, and in that open anchor tag you have to write the href attribute, then equal to sign. Then here in the double quotation you have to write the path. Then inside of the open and close tag of the anchor tag, you have to write the text in which the links should be appear. Here you are seeing this is the on tag and this is the off tag, and this is the your URL, means file.html. This is the one web page file on which that it will take you on this page. When you click on the link, which link has given on the text next page, then it will take you on this web page. Links within a single page. Sometime a website on a sometime a web page on a website is extremely long. In such case, you may want to provide an opinion to come back to the top of the page when the user is viewing to the bottom of the page. So this can be done by creating the named anchor, which is a specific area on the web page where the link is to be directed. Means when you create the web page having the long page, then at that time, if anyone want to go back on the top or on the bottom or in any section, for that they have to give the such link that it will take on that section. So for creating that, you have to use the anchor. To link to an anchor, you need to accomplish the following two steps. Creating an anchor, means first of all you have to create that anchor, then create a link pointing to the anchor. Here the ID attribute you have to use with the anchor tag. You have to create the ID. So for that you have to write you can write the ID attribute in any tag. Here I am taking by mistake it is written here S3 and S2. So both will be same, either we will change here 2. So in the S2, ID is equal to bottom it is written, means here it is creating one ID with the name bottom. Then as chapter 5 it is written, then as S2 it is close. Then in that heading tag, that chapter 5 it is written. So chapter 5 it will show as it will display as a heading, and it is written as a bottom, means it has given the one ID for this chapter 5 bottom ID. Okay, when this ID completed, then for reaching to this we have to create the one link. For creating the link we have to use the anchor tag, then href. In the hyperlink you have to give the has bottom, means the word that keyword or the ID which you have created, that you have to use. To go to the bottom of the page or on that place where the chapter 5 it has written. Okay, so go to the bottom page of the web page, then close the anchor tag. So in this way you have to create the first id, and then you have to use the anchor link to create the link to reach to the that section. Now target attribute, by default a link open in the current document. So as you are knowing, as we click on any link, then it open in the current window only. So means by default a link open in current window. If you want to link the to open a new browser or new window, then you need to add the target attribute. So here you are seeing the target attribute is used to open the any link either in the same browser or in the same window or in the same tab. Okay, so for that you have to use the target attribute. Target attribute specifies where to open the link document, like open the link document in the new browser window or in the parent frame or in the same frame or in the full browser window. So for this you have to use the target attribute like this, anchor tag, then href equal to url, target attribute. Target attribute, in the target attribute you have to write the either dash blank for to open in the new browser window, or dash parent to open in the parent frame, dash self to open in the same frame, dash top to open the document in the full browser window. Now creating an email link. Sometimes we see that when we click on any email ID, it takes you on the mailbox directly to send the mail. So to create the such type of the link, you have to use the anchor tag, then href. In href you have to write the text mail to colon, then the email id, then in double quotation close, then that anchor tag which has completed. Now the text where you want to give the link for the giving the this mail to option. After that text you have to close the anchor tag, then you will see the link to mail the any to send the mail to any particular email id. Thank you.